Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am sharing with you how I DIY'd this beautiful dressing table for my daughter's room. It's an upcycle and it turned out so beautifully. I love it. If you are new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the Xcellence family. We would really appreciate having you. So keep watching guys to see how I changed this dressing table and how I turned it around to this beautiful dressing table that my daughter is so in love with, and I'm in love with it also. If you enjoyed watching this video, if you enjoyed watching this DIY, go ahead and hit that like button and also leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think. Time to start DIYing. I'm going ahead using my hammer to remove these drawer pulls, and they left some very fine pins. As you can see here, I have to use my pliers to remove them. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that before I go ahead to finish DIYing this dressing table. Now that I have finished removing all the drawer pulls that I did not like, I am going to go ahead, take my dressing table outside, remove the mirrors and pull it apart so I can sand it and paint it. Keep watching guys. Guys, I totally forgot to press record on my camera when I was painting, and I didn't get a chance to record painting it, but it's just your basic painting, all the pieces, all the bits and pieces. And here it is, finished painting, and I've brought it back upstairs to start assembling again. the drawer pulls, I was in two minds whether to use a drill and make the holes or to use my glue gun. I opted for the glue gun, guys, but it was the wrong choice. I ended up having to go back through and use my drill to drill the holes and screw the drawer pulls on. So the glue gun did not hold it, but I have screwed them in and now they are quite secured. They will not be falling off anytime soon. Product, guys, this is what it looks like after we're finished putting it all together, and we've put her chair together as well and put a few decorative pieces on her dresser. So this is what it looks like, and this is our finished dressing table, upcycled dressing table. If you enjoyed watching this video, go ahead and hit that like button and also leave a comment and let me know what you think of this dressing table. It is absolutely beautiful, and as I said before, I am loving it and my daughter loves it too. Thank you all very much for watching. Have a lovely day and be blessed.